Spellman is the largest independent manufacturer of high voltage power supplies and X-ray sources. We are a premier OEM supplier, so we're well versed in all the quality management systems and compliance certifications that are required. We've got worldwide facilities. Headquarters is in New York, but we have a footprint in the UK, in Germany, in Japan, in China, in Korea, and India. We have 4 different design centers on 3 different continents. We've got sales and support, so we have an engineer in China that can be providing technical support for a customer in Japan real time, as opposed to having to wait for the email process, which can be very time consuming and frustrating for customers if there are real problems. We have a very large footprint in 8 broad market segments, primarily medical. Spellman is the first supplier of a rotating medical CT power supply over 40 years ago. We have a very large footprint in security screening. There's a very good chance that if you go to an airport and you see a baggage scanner, there's a Spellman High Voltage power supply or X-ray source within that. Semiconductor is another large segment that we've had for years and are now seeing a lot of growth in. As you can imagine, due to smartphones and other electronics that are getting more sophisticated as, never mind the years go on, but the months. There are so many new product introductions, and we have to stay current with all of this, with the products that we develop. Inspection is the reason we're here at NDT MA, because industrial X-ray sources are such a prominent part of non-destructive testing. And then industrial processes that rely on electron beam or electrostatic processes is something that we're very heavily involved in. We don't have to start with an existing product. We can develop something from the ground up. It can have a completely different X-ray tube, a brand new high voltage topology. That's what makes this job a lot of fun, is because we're really taking that customer information and we're providing to them what they really need in the application. What makes us a bit unusual in the industry is we are part of UL's client test data program. So if we develop a power supply, we are able to perform all of the compliance testing on our own in-house. When that is all done, we can submit that data to UL. So at the end of the day, we are an OEM partner that supplies a critical component in their systems. And if we provide what they value and they're successful, then we also are successful. Any OEMs interested in engaging Spellman to see where we might be able to add value to what you're doing right now, I'm happy to support that. Please reach out to me via email at jwilsey@spellmanhv.com, and I'm happy to put you in contact with the right people internally.